they have filled bottle. Welcome to the political rant on GCN TV page with me, The Voice. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Kindly listen to this tape carefully.
Kota de mesre eme dese from enu anajo ebano. They've instructed the military to at least
to take over all installations.
Take over all installations. And akonta when you na koba besi papa no mine IGP. Prior to these elections, there were a lot of confusion amongst security
police
and police and police na. Yes, and some police for name or other security agencies, and they could police station one more. Ghana, your police officers, your police for prisons, fire service, immigration boom. I mean, you sure some do be 100,000 and I say 150,000. And you needed your brothers in the military to support you.
Just show off.
It's more polling stations and yeah, they know military. Ebia bet take over. Certain installations, market. Government institutions no more bomb with security right from elections na IGP and the police for and one and at the end and then ajemunsem no
and the police stations
and police stations
they are destroying police stations and an IGP or they are not
yes
so far
IGP all of a sudden and a year in charge of
yeah born a
ninina ye baby ya babelu tibini akunta the missouri say we are not criminals be so
no but they want because you wait tapa issue
yes
tapa for so.
Yes, so that is Omanhene speaking with some of his panelists. Assembly say, security services that take the lead, and I say more forefront are fourth runners, the police service, and is established obianim. Yes, and him say before the security services, no police, immigration, customs, military, fire service, and all no, they all form a joint task force, and that task force no, IGP IGP ne chairman for that task force, and the police actually kind of coordinate the activities of the security services on election before, during, and after elections, and he established, but Assemble I see in this very election about 2 years on 7 December and say prior to the election now I say all the press conferences IGP was holding and I say police service was holding I say almost sidelining other security services bisa or I say omukasa mono they did not want any help whatsoever from the other security services. And see, everything just made it look as though the police was more than ready, more than more sophisticated in the discharge of their duties. And some of us actually, we say, okay, after all, Akufo-Addo has given the police over 5,000 bikes. They now have helicopters, 3 helicopters, and all Kena unit. And so, say police service. Omukasa say omu more than prepared, they have the men and all those things, no problem. Now, the other aspect is, and they say, when you take the police service of Ghana, add military and all the others, no, omu do 200,000. Now, this less than, if you are 200, and I say, if you are at most cry 300,000, which I doubt say omu do 300,000. And these 300,000 people, no, they are supposed to take charge of an election that was of about 18 million people that were going to be involved in the election. Now, instead of bringing all the men that you can get on board for the electoral process, no, now police form yet to say, you people are the ones who can do everything. So the people sat back, other security services sat back, just for us to realize that this country, where we are now, no, it will take the intervention of the military or other security services to maintain order, law and order. Because it's basically as though the police have become powerless in face of the post-election violence we are experiencing. To the extent, say, videos will come out in which you see people who are attacking policemen or people who are destroying properties, and policemen they are virtually powerless. And who can we blame? When you go and ask the policemen that, why are you watching these people destroy this property? Adena ujinaha nkrofo we are near a municipal assembly no unkashi unyeshi. They said they are waiting for an order from above. Order from above. Who is the one above Unsono? Nobody is talking. Nobody is giving out any name. And whilst nobody is giving out any name, no, people are destroying properties. Properties that belong to all of us Ghanaians. Some people are destroying it, and the police is sitting aloof. Until yesterday, that there was a notification from the military high command that soldiers have to step in to maintain calm and to maintain law and order. All this could have been avoided, and that is why it was a task force. A task force. Task force. Nobody says military men should go to the polling stations and all. No. But whilst policemen were taking charge of the polling station and all, we all knew the kind of tension that was in the system prior to us going to the election. And so I believe, police intelligence should have picked, even during the declaration or after Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia had come out on Sunday morning to accept that he's been defeated in the election, police intelligence should have known, said something like this was going to happen. That is why they are paid. And the IGP should have straightforward gone ahead to notify the other security services that go and maybe protect this and that those state agencies, state installations. And so when it comes to matters of this very election, how the police service under IGP Dampare has managed the post-election violence, they have failed portal. They have failed portal. And this I'm saying without apology. They have really failed all of us. Because innocent people, their stores are being destroyed. People are being attacked for no reason. People don't feel safe in their homes any longer. We don't feel safe. We don't feel safe. Because a lot of people are yielding guns. We don't even know where they have gotten the guns from, but they are yielding the guns. They have taken the law into their own hands. And clearly, the police is overwhelmed. The police is overwhelmed. And so, to take a simple step, the simple step of saying that military come to our aid, military intervene, how difficult is that? Is it an issue of pride? Or what is it at all? What is it at all? We are so much disappointed. It's so disappointing. It is so disappointing. We are not happy at all with the IGP, Dr. Dampare. Many of us had vouched for you. We had vouched for you. Even when there came the time for all those tapes and those conspiracies against you, many of us stood behind you. We were supporting you solidly. But Doc, I'm sorry to say that with the current happenings over the past 2 or 3 days, after elections were peacefully conducted, we are disappointed. And this is the place where you can safeguard your legacy. You can safeguard your good name. Please allow other security services to help you out. You are clearly overwhelmed. Thank you for watching this episode of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, on GCN TV page. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. See you in the next one.